19. She celebrated her 19th birthday with friends and family. Comedy. The stand-up comedian had the audience in stitches with his hilarious comedy routine. Analysis. The scientist conducted a detailed analysis of the experimental data. Teenager. Being a teenager comes with its own set of challenges and joys. Shore. They walked along the peaceful shore of the beach at sunset. Palm. The tropical island was dotted with swaying palm trees. Detective. The detective carefully examined the clues to solve the mysterious case. Widow. The widow grieved the loss of her husband. Tissue. She reached for a tissue to wipe away her tears. Repay. He promised to repay the loan as soon as possible. Permanently. The decision to move abroad was a permanent one. Hack. The computer system experienced a security hack. Deadly. The snake was venomous and posed a deadly threat. Comfortless. The abandoned house felt cold and comfortless. Verdict. The jury delivered the final verdict in the courtroom. Jar. She stored homemade jam in a glass jar on the kitchen shelf. Insensitive. His insensitive remarks hurt her feelings. Aim. The archer took careful aim before releasing the arrow. Triple. The athlete attempted a triple somersault in the air. Messy. The children's room was always messy with toys scattered everywhere. Entry. The grand entrance was adorned with flowers and lights. Bleed. The cut on his finger began to bleed profusely. Foster. The couple decided to foster a child in need. Ding. The sound of the bell dinged as the elevator arrived. Airplane. The airplane soared through the clouds, leaving a trail behind. Worker. The diligent worker completed the project ahead of schedule. Underestimate. It's unwise to underestimate the challenges ahead. Soccer. The soccer team practiced drills before the big match. Registered. The letter was sent with registered mail to ensure delivery. Multiple. The project involved multiple teams working together. Harmless. The small insect was harmless and posed no threat. Frisk. The security guard conducted a thorough frisk before allowing entry. Folk. The traditional dance showcased the rich cultural heritage of the folk. Convention. The annual convention brought together experts from around the world. Communicate. Clear and effective communication is key in any relationship. Attraction. The beautiful artwork was a major attraction at the gallery. Arson. The investigators suspected arson as the cause of the fire. Whack. He gave the stubborn jar a whack to open it. Wade. They decided to wade through the shallow water to reach the other side. Residence. The luxurious mansion served as their primary residence. Medium. The artist chose oil paint as the medium for the masterpiece. Liking. She developed a strong liking for the new colleague. Development. The city underwent rapid development with new infrastructure projects. Develop. It takes time to develop skills through practice. Dearest. The letter ended with a heartfelt message to the dearest friend. Congratulate. Friends and family gathered to congratulate the graduate. April. April showers bring May flowers, according to the saying. Alliance. The nations formed a strategic alliance for mutual benefit. Vengeance. Seeking vengeance only perpetuates a cycle of violence. Rack. He placed the books neatly on the bookshelf rack. Puzzle. Solving a challenging puzzle can be a satisfying experience. Guidance. The mentor provided valuable guidance to the young entrepreneur. Courtesy. Showing courtesy and respect is important in social interactions. Caller. The caller on the other end of the line remained anonymous. Wizard. The old man was rumored to be a skilled wizard with magical powers. Repair. The mechanic worked diligently to repair the broken car. Quiz. The teacher prepared a surprise quiz to test the students' knowledge. Curiosity. Curiosity is a driving force behind scientific exploration. Barbecue. The family gathered for a delicious barbecue in the backyard. Troops. The general led the troops into battle. Cough. A persistent cough indicated a possible illness. Accusation. The false accusation caused damage to his reputation. Resent. It's important not to resent others for their success. Freshman. The freshman students navigated the challenges of their first year. Envy. Envy can poison relationships and breed negativity. Drown. Swimmers should be cautious not to drown in deep waters. Sofa. The comfortable sofa provided a cozy spot for relaxation. Highness. Addressing royalty requires the use of titles like, Your Highness. Drain. The sink had a clog that caused water to drain slowly. Dock. The boat was moored at the dock by the harbor. Welfare. Social programs aim to improve the welfare of citizens. Theirs. The house with the red door is theirs. State. The ambassador represented the interests of his home state. Somewhat. The movie was somewhat entertaining, but not exceptional. Solo. The musician performed a beautiful piece on the piano solo. Jazz. The lively rhythm of jazz music filled the air. Hawk. The hawk circled overhead, searching for prey. Finishing. The carpenter applied the final touches to the finishing of the furniture. Album. The artist released a new music album featuring several hit songs. Wee. The baby let out a wee giggle in response to the tickle. Understandable. Given the circumstances, her reaction was perfectly understandable. Stir. A gentle stir was all it took to mix the ingredients. Gratitude. Expressing gratitude is essential in maintaining healthy relationships. Faithful. The faithful dog waited patiently for its owner to return. Accent. Her subtle southern accent added charm to her speech. Zip. He quickly pulled up the zip on his jacket to stay warm. Wandering. The wandering traveler explored new landscapes. Regardless. She pursued her dreams regardless of the challenges. Inevitable. Change is often inevitable in life. Crushed. The news of the accident left her crushed with grief. Contingent. The success of the plan was contingent on various factors. Rocky. The mountain trail became steep and rocky. Robe. She wore a luxurious silk robe for a spa day at home. Retired. After years of service, he finally retired from his job. Gossip. Gossip can spread quickly and lead to misunderstandings. Gambling. Gambling should be approached with caution and responsibility. Determine. Hard work and dedication can help you determine your success. Cosmetics. The store offered a wide range of beauty cosmetics. Cent. The beggar was grateful for every cent he received. Stiff. The old wooden door was stiff and difficult to open. Sincere. Her sincere apology helped mend the strained relationship. Shield. A strong moral compass can be a shield against unethical behavior. Nightmare. The horror movie gave her a chilling nightmare. Ignoring. Ignoring the problem won't make it disappear. Hunch. His hunch about the outcome proved to be correct. Firework. The sky lit up with colorful fireworks on New Year's Eve. Crown. The queen wore a magnificent jeweled crown on her head. Cooperation. Success often depends on effective cooperation among team members. Brass. The band played lively tunes with the help of shiny brass instruments. Sophisticated. The sophisticated software impressed users with its advanced features. Luggage. Travelers should label their luggage for easy identification. Lemon. The tartness of the lemon added a refreshing flavor to the dish. Investigate. The detective was hired to investigate the mysterious disappearance. Explore. They decided to explore the untouched wilderness. Dragon. The mythical dragon breathed fire and guarded the treasure. Creek. The clear water flowed gently in the peaceful creek. Complication. The unexpected issue added a new complication to the plan. Righteous. The righteous leader was admired for his integrity. Reconsider. It's wise to reconsider important decisions before finalizing them. Inspiration. Nature can be a great source of inspiration for artists. Goodie. The children were excited to receive a bag of goodie treats. Fringe. The dress was adorned with a delicate lace fringe. Ethic. Upholding a strong work ethic is essential for success. Courthouse. The trial took place in the historic courthouse downtown. Camping. They enjoyed a weekend of camping in the great outdoors. Assistance. Offering assistance to those in need is a noble gesture. Affection. The couple displayed genuine affection towards each other. Lodge. The cozy mountain lodge provided a comfortable retreat. Haircut. She decided to get a bold and stylish haircut. Forcing. Forcing someone to do something is rarely effective. Eternal. Love that withstands time is often described as eternal. Stud. The diligent student was recognized as a studious individual. Sailor. The experienced sailor navigated the rough seas with skill. Operator. The phone operator connected the call to the correct department. Goat. The mischievous goat nibbled on the farmer's jacket. Exclusive. The club had an exclusive membership for VIPs. Destructive. Wildfires can be destructive to natural habitats. Defeat. Experiencing defeat can be a valuable lesson in resilience. Adore. She couldn't help but adore the adorable puppy. Warrior. The ancient warrior displayed incredible bravery on the battlefield. Shorts. In hot weather, many people prefer wearing comfortable shorts. Ninth. The ninth inning of the baseball game was filled with suspense. Dough. She kneaded the soft dough to prepare fresh bread. Creation. The artist's latest painting was a beautiful creation. Barrel. The workers loaded barrels onto the truck for transportation. Tuck. She decided to tuck a flower behind her ear for a touch of elegance. Rear. The car's rear bumper was damaged in the accident. Pacific. The cruise sailed across the calm and serene Pacific Ocean. Magnificent. The palace was a magnificent structure with intricate details. Lick. The playful puppy gave a friendly lick on the owner's hand. Goddess. In mythology, Aphrodite is considered the goddess of love and beauty. Glorious. The sunrise over the mountains was a glorious sight to behold. Visitation. The family awaited the visitation of their relatives during the holidays. Teen. The teen eagerly anticipated turning 16 and getting a driver's license. Scholarship. She received a full-ride scholarship for her academic achievements. Sane. Despite the chaos, he remained calm and sane in stressful situations. Kingdom. The fairy tale featured a magical kingdom ruled by a wise king. Flames. The firefighters bravely battled the fierce flames to save the building. Sunny. The picnic was perfect with a sunny day and clear skies. Mattress. The new mattress provided a comfortable night's sleep. Lobster. The seaside restaurant offered a delicious lobster dinner. Importantly, the project deadline was met ahead of schedule. Glove. The baseball player wore a leather glove to catch the ball. Disappointment. The team faced disappointment after losing the championship game. Condo. They purchased a cozy beachfront condo for their summer getaways. Cemetery. The old cemetery held the graves of generations past. Screech. The sound of tires came to a sudden screech as the car stopped. Nun. The nun devoted her life to prayer and service in the convent. Navy. The Navy ships sailed in formation during the fleet parade. Dedicated. The dedicated volunteers spent hours helping at the community center. Christian. Many people celebrate Christmas as a Christian holiday. Annual. The company held its annual meeting to discuss plans for the upcoming year. Worm. The bird pecked at the ground, searching for a juicy worm. Tick. The clock's tick echoed in the quiet room. Polish. She applied a coat of polish to make her shoes shine. Funds. The non-profit organization raised funds for a charitable cause. Defensive. The team adopted a defensive strategy to protect their lead. Compete. Athletes from different countries will compete in the global tournament. Balloon. The children played with colorful balloons at the birthday party. Sailing. Sailing across the open sea brought a sense of freedom. Filing. The office manager organized the paperwork by filing them alphabetically. Depression. Seeking professional help is crucial for managing clinical depression. Conversation. The lively conversation flowed over dinner. Consideration. The committee took careful consideration before making a decision. Consciousness. Regaining consciousness after the accident, he found himself in the hospital. Innocence. The child's innocence was evident in the way he viewed the world. Freaky. The horror movie had a freaky twist that surprised the audience. Forehead. She wiped her sweaty forehead after a strenuous workout. Slam. The door made a loud slam as it closed behind him. Pry. It's impolite to pry into someone else's personal affairs. Inform. The news anchor will inform the public about the latest developments. Dug. The dog eagerly dug a hole in the backyard. Delighted. She was delighted by the unexpected surprise. Daylight. The hikers prefer to explore during daylight hours. Currently, he is working on a new research project. Confidential. The sensitive information was marked as confidential. Chew. It's important to chew your food thoroughly for better digestion. Washing. The sound of the washing machine filled the laundry room. Warden. The prison warden ensured the inmates followed the rules. Temple. The ancient temple was a place of worship for many.